So here you see our new guest room concept, Organic Trace. We created a totally new type of guest room and took the advantage of the super material LG Hymax, which is formable under heat or you can carve it, and you can see when you feel it's very smooth and warm, not cold as you would expect because it's stone. And we took that advantage to form a whole sculpture in the middle of the room. And it's like an art piece in the middle of the room. We combined all the areas in the room. The guest room being part of the bed is one part, the bathtub is another part. We combined them together with the desk where you can work. You have to show here. You have to take a look. Here you have the desk in between, and you could dive between the two areas, from the bathtub into the bed or from the bed into the bathtub. And another very special thing about this material is that you can enlighten it. When it's thin, you can put light behind, and then you have a special effect on the wall. You can see over there. We have this wall made from the floor to the ceiling out of this material, and the light comes out of the wall. It's very nice.
Okay, thank you.